Good morning, students. Good morning,
Good
students.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, so today's date is 15th of January
Good morning.
2021. This is class 11th and I will teach you economics. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, please give answer in complete sentences. Okay, so question number one, which type of economy India is? Which type of economy India is?
India is an Indian economy.
Very good.
Indian economy.
India is a mixed economy. Very good. So, who makes policies in economy?
Government makes policy in economy.
Very good. Government make policy in economy. Okay. So, why do these policies are made?
These policies are made for better economy to make economy better.
Yes, these policies are made for the growth and development of economy. Okay. So, how does growth and development affect country? So, growth and development
Growth and development.
are very crucial for any country. Okay. Okay. So, what is a set of policies which helps in growth and development of country? Okay, students.
Economic reform.
Students. So today we shall study about economic reforms. Okay. Now tell me, what is economic growth? What is economic growth?
Sorry?
What is economic growth?
Economic growth.
Yes. So economic growth is increase in gross domestic production. Okay. It is economic growth. Okay. So now tell me, what do you mean by economic reforms? Okay, so here is the meaning of economic reform. Okay, so economic reforms refers to fundamental changes that were launched in 1991 with the plan of liberalizing the economy and for quickening its rate of economic growth. Okay, so the economic reforms are the fundamental changes. Okay, so these were the changes which were launched in 1991 with the plan of liberalizing the economy and quickening its rate of economic growth. Okay, so these economics form reforms were launched to increase the growth, economic growth of the country. Okay, the Narasimha Rao government in 1991 started economic reforms in order to rebuild internal and external faith in Indian economy. Okay, so the Narasimha Rao government in 1991 started this economic reform. Okay, so that can economic growth of a country of India can take place. Okay, and to rebuild internal and external faith in Indian economy. Okay, so means the development of Indian economy. Okay, so now tell me, when economic reform launched in India? when
1949.
Okay, so economic reform started in India in 1991. Okay, so why do we need economic reform? Okay, so here are the
For the growth
reasons.
and development of
Very good. Okay, so here are the needs of economic reform. Why do we need economic reform? First thing is the poor performance of industrial sector. Of course, we knew that our Indian sector in Indian economy, it was one of the poorest economy because of the poor performance of industrial sector. We didn't have the proper infrastructure. We didn't have the proper factories, industries, so that there were the poor performance of industrial sector was there in before launching the economic reforms. Okay, second thing is adverse balance of payment. Of course, adverse balance of payment is there because our revenues were lesser than the payments. Our expenditures are more. That is why there was the adverse balance of payment. Okay, so what economy should have? Economy should have balanced of this payment. But in India, what was there? There was adverse balance of payment. Means our expenditure were more than our revenues. Okay, so and third thing is the inflation. Of course, inflation was there. There was the hike of the prices high were there. Okay, and there was so much inflation in the economy. Okay, and which is one of the important reason why we need economic reforms. And the fourth one is the Gulf War. Gulf War means that the petroleum, okay, these oils, the crude oils, we were just in the need of these oils and we are not getting them. Okay, so this was so that is why these were some the needs of economic reforms: the poor performance of industrial sector, adverse balance of payment, inflation, the Gulf War. These were the reasons why we need economic reform. Okay, so tell me, which sector has given importance in these reforms?
Public sector has been given importance in these reforms.
Very good. Public sector has been given importance in these reforms. So what are the examples of economic reforms?
Globalization is one of the example of economic
Very good.
reforms.
So here are the example of economic reforms. So first is privatization. Of course, this is one of the this is first example of economic reforms. Okay, so privatization means the transfer of ownership of public sector to private sector. Means that in privatization, what happened? That all the ownership of the private sectors, public sectors. Okay, the control of the government over any activity, over any entity has been given in the private hand. Means that now private people will handle them. Okay, the control of government from government will given to the private hand. Okay, second is globalization. Globalization refers to the integration of the economy of the nation within with the outer world also. Okay, globalization means that the integration of the country means that our country has to integrate with the world also, because we have to trade with the outer worlds all out the all, s- other countries also. So this is known as globalization. Okay, so before launching these economic reforms, that globalization was not there. Of course, that is why we needed that. Okay, so trade was with the country was not there. Okay, we are not trading with another countries. Okay, within India, trade was taking place. Okay, there was so much of privatization. There was the government having so much ownership over the entities. Okay, so that is why we did privatization. Globalization we required, and liberalization. Okay, so liberalization is the process or the means of elimination of control of a state over economic activity. Means that economic activity, there was so much control of states over these economic economic activities. So elimination of these controls were taken place in liberalization. Okay, so these were the example of economic reforms. Now tell me, what are LPG policy, the full form of LPG?
Liberalization, privatization, globalization.
Very good. What were the impact of economic reforms?
Economic reforms had positive impact.
Very good. So here are some impact of economic reforms. Okay, so reduction in poverty rate. Okay, this is one of the important impact of economic reforms. After economic reforms has been launched, the poverty rate has been reduced. Means that the poverty rate has been reduced, the poverty rate decreased, and which is a good thing. Okay, a positive impact of economic reforms has been seen. Okay, second thing is increase air travel. Of course, because of the globalization, we did globalization that the trade with outer countries can take place. Okay, so increase in air travel has taken place because of the globalization. Now we are more dealing with the outer worlds also. Okay, access to foreign technology because of globalization. Now we get to know the foreign technology. We can even we were have the right, we have the exposure, we the access to the exposure of the outer world also with the another countries and their technologies also. So that is why it provides us the access to foreign technology. Okay, and fourth is expansion of telecommunication. Okay, so globalization has lead to all these things, that expansion of telecommunication can be possible because of these economic reforms. Okay, okay, so what is economic reform?
Economic reforms are the set of policies which are made for growth of country.
Okay, very good. So who launched economic reforms?
The Narasimha Rao government launched economic reforms.
Very good. Write one need of economic reforms.
Poor performance of industrial sector is one of the reasons for economic reforms.
Very good. So what is privatization?
Privatization is a transfer of ownership from public to private sector.
Very good. Okay, right one. What is one impact of economic reform?
Reduced poverty rate is one of the effect of economic reforms.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So here are some sentences. There are blanks. Okay. So tell me the suitable word. Okay. Economic reforms launched in India in.
1991,
Very good. Second is economic reforms were started to dash to the growth and development.
started to was started to dash to economic to the growth.
Economic reforms were started to increase the growth and development. Okay, dash performance of industry sector is one of the reason why economic reforms launched.
Poor performance of industrial sector is one of the reason why.
Yes, very good. Poor performance. Okay. Fourth one is liberalization dash the control of state over economic activities.
Liberalization.
Liberalization eliminates the control of state over economic activities. Okay. Fifth one is globalization refers to dash of economy of nation with word economy. Okay, so globalization refers to integration of economy of nation with word economy. Okay. So here is a homework. First question is what is economic reforms and its need? Okay. And second is what is LPG policy and its impact? Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, ma'am.